What's up guys? Just a couple of months ago we published a video with a full review of Blackview Oscal Pad 10 tablet on our channel Tech Brothers. Now the new generation of the tablet is ready and it will go on sale on April 17th. Its price will be only $159 at the start of sales. By the way, the first 200 buyers will get a free Bluetooth keyboard. Okay, let's talk about the main updates in the new Blackview Oscal Pad 13 in this video. First, the new tablet has received a slim and light body. The weight of the Blackview Oscal Pad 13 is only 435 grams, while the thickness is 7.6 mm. However, I'm not sure about the body material. This is a budget tablet, so most likely it is made of plastic. Oscal Pad 13 is available in space gray and blue colors. I think both of them look nice. Do you agree? In addition, the new tablet got a new design of the main camera. We can see two sensors here, but we will talk about them a little later. You should also know about dual speakers, hybrid slot for dual SIM and microSD memory card, and external Bluetooth keyboard support. By the way, you can also use a stylus pen with the new Blackview tablet. Talking about display of Blackview Oscal Pad 13, it is the same as previous tablet. It has a diagonal of 10.1 inches and Full HD resolution 1200 by 1920 pixels. It seems that the Chinese company decided not to change what was already good. You know, even the hardware of Blackview Oscal Pad 13 is the same as the Oscal Pad 10, such as Unisoc T606 chipset and 8 GB of RAM. However, the internal storage has been increased to 256 gigs. As already said, you can use a memory card instead of the second SIM card. So the performance of the new Blackview tablet will be about the same as the previous generation of tablet. You can watch our video about Blackview Oscal Pad 10 and see the benchmark results and gaming performance. One of the main features of Blackview tablets is a DocOS user interface. It is based on Android 12 operating system, but there are many useful functions. One of my favorite is a PC mode. You can connect a keyboard and mouse to the tablet and use it for work and study. I told you that Blackview Oscal Pad 13 has two sensors on the back, but we only have information about one of them. The main camera has 13 megapixels sensor. On the front, there is 8 megapixels camera. I think this is enough for video calls with friends or online conferences with colleagues. One of the main upgrades in the new Blackview tablet is the battery. Now it has a capacity of 7580 mAh. I want to remind you that Oscal Pad 10 had 6580 mAh battery. So we can expect a longer battery life from the new tablet. You know, I like the latest Blackview tablets because they support dual 4G SIM and 3-in-1 navigation system, including GPS, so you can use a tablet instead of your smartphone. I cannot say that Blackview Oscal Pad 13 is a completely new tablet because it has the same display, performance and cameras as the previous Oscal Pad 10. Perhaps the main update is an increased battery. If you already have a Blackview Oscal Pad 10, I don't think you should buy a new one. However, if you are looking for a budget tablet in 2023, Blackview Oscal Pad 13 is definitely good for its price. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!